This building could become the biggest crime scene in Australia. I'm standing outside the Queensland Royal Brisbane and Women's Hospital, Metro North, where Queensland Health intends to cover up and destroy evidence of the COVID vaccine fraud. In 2021, a major research project, the QoVAX study, started researching 10,600 biospecimens from donors injected with the COVID-19 injections and from donors not injected. The study was considering effectiveness and outcomes of being injected versus non-injected. It was to be the largest study of this nature in the world to date. After only 18 months, the $20 million program was shut down suddenly and without warning and with no valid reason provided. The donors were not even consulted, and neither were senior scientists running the study. Metro North now intends to destroy the data and specimens, even though they've been informed of pending legal action to preserve the valuable data and evidence in the samples and material. Destroying the samples would be a crime. Punishment for all responsible could include jail time and massive fines. The Human Research and Ethics Committee and board members of Metro North are failing in their duty and oversight responsibilities. This may make them culpable. Why do these bodies wish to destroy the samples and data? What are they trying to hide? Papers are about to be completed and published for the first 18 months of the research. If the research reveals problems with the COVID shots, it would embarrass Queensland Health bureaucrats and politicians. That's motive for destroying the samples and the evidence. If the research reveals no problems with the shots, why would Queensland Health not release the data and conclusions? With a $4 billion annual budget, Queensland Health's Metro North can afford to continue storing the samples and preserve the data. I call for this decision to be immediately withdrawn and steps taken to preserve the specimens and reinstate this vital program to provide conclusions as to the nature and effects of the COVID injections. I'm sending letters to raise this issue with the Premier of Queensland, the Minister for Health and the Attorney General. This is just another reason why Prime Minister Anthony Albanese must call a Royal Commission into the entire COVID response.
Authorised Malcolm Roberts, Brisbane.